Hold on. Can I bring my bag?
You got your ID and shit too, right?
Yeah. No hoodies.
What?
You don't got a hoodie, right?
I think it'd be not when you here.
Oh, okay.
That makes sense.
But you know, I still got a hood on it.
They just say you can't have it with your kid. Cause like, go do some dumb shit. And then the thing is, I'm a best.
Shotgun and shit?
Speak to him.
Nah, they gonna call me. My legs hurt either. They can't talk to me.
Man.
You guys been here before?
No.
First time for everybody?
Yeah, first time.
I can get a New Jersey concealed carry permit.
Yep.
When they start doing that? I thought they did
2 years ago.
Yeah?
You guys
How long is that
fill
process?
out- You gotta fill out some waivers to issue.
Could I start that? Yeah.
No, you have to sign up online to do that. Please don't film in the lobby. We don't want the staff on any film.
Okay, that's cool.
It's in here, okay?
Okay, that'll work. Excited? You excited?
One shot, okay? Hold it back. You take one. Yep. Back. Yep, harder as you can. Good, perfect. Yep, now you punch out. Aim it up. Now aim it over your
Shit, this shit.
So, whenever that happens, that just means that you weren't holding it tight enough, okay? So I tell people, right, when you shoot this, you want to squeeze really tight. Yep, you can't squeeze too tight. Yep, good job.
Okay.
All right, guys, have fun, okay?
Okay.
All right, appreciate it.
Oh, I didn't know it was gonna do that. You have to hold it that tight. Damn.
I got it, bro. I recorded it.
I got this is my dangerous street.
Bro, that shit's so
My
loud.
cinnamon apple, man.
Like, I can still hear it. It's like my heart beating.
You can feel the vibration of it.
Yes. It's my turn.
You want your do bad now.
Face shots. You know how to load this up? Here. Here. You know how to do it, sis. It's a little angle. See how this is tipped? You put it in there. Put it in. Push the front down, then slide it in. Yeah, try it.
Am I doing it right?
Mm-hmm.
How y'all do that?
There you go.
Oh. Okay, I gotta squeeze it. Am I missing? Am I missing?
Oh, you shot up high as hell, yeah. Aim lower.
Oh,
Yeah.
I can't see it.
Aim for the stomach, bro. Aim for the stomach.
Oh.
What the hell? What you got going on?
It's
You ain't put no bullets in. I told you to put the bullets in there.
Oh, I thought you just told me to just shoot it.
Put some bullets in there, bro.
This one or like this?
Look, you see the little hill? It's like a hill. Look. See this? Slide up. You push it down at the front. At the front. Slide it down to the front first. Let me see.
I can't
It's
do
easier
it.
to do right here. Look, you see this, right? Put it in the front, and then use this hand and push it down. Yeah.
Right here. Put this part right here. And then press down with your thumb. No. Press down on this with your thumb. No, press down on this bullet with your thumb. Take this thumb, press down. No.
These joints heavy as
Right
shit.
here. Look, put this right here. Right here, right? Take this thumb and press down on this bullet. Before it gets to right here. Let me see.
Bro, I'm confused. You gotta realize I ain't never did this before.
You see this, right? Put it right here before it hit this part. Take this thumb to press it down, right?
Bro, y'all.
And it's just
And I
sliding.
shot high. Look how high I shot. Bro, I think at that time I wasn't even paying attention. I was just trying to shoot that bitch.
You need to aim, nigga. That's extra money.
Like, bro.
Yeah, that's an extra $10 every time you hit up there.
Hit up where?
You hit above the line.
Above the line, that black line.
Wait, I
Every time you
did.
do that, you're hitting a ceiling.
Yeah. And they say you gotta pay $10.
Oh. Look, I'd rather just go below. I'm gonna just shoot down.
Yeah. Aim for the stomach.
Put it here. Put it here, so it's
You wanna try it now?
Do it again.
Take this right here, put it right here, right? So you take this thumb. It's tricky.
Oh no, I wasn't doing that. Okay, let me try.
Then you put it in, slide
let
it
me
in
try.
like that. Here.
I'm a
Here's a
real
bullet.
nigga anyways. It don't matter.
That bitch got a little stick on it.
Come on.
He being nosy.
Use this thumb.
You record this?
Oh wait, hold on. I gotta do all these.
That's that big motherfucker. Big motherfucker. Shit, hold on. Keep on speaking. Jam. Damn, that motherfucker got a little kick on it. I like it though. That shit fire. Use this.
Dang, it was like all A's. When you look at it. getting it.
Hell yeah. That motherfucker.
I still need to practice this.
Use two. Yeah. Do it like.
Bro,
hold the
hold
tip.
on. You said use my thumb.
Yeah. Like.
Look.
You're not doing it right. There you go.
See? I
Yeah.
know what I'm doing.
Yeah. You know, it's your first one.
My first, no, that's my second. I did it with the fake one.
That's okay. Actual bullet. What they say?
The third one I
You wanna
did.
try and shoot this bit?
Yeah.
That one?
Yeah, it's your
Big
turn.
bit.
You didn't. Wait,
The
is it
big
full?
bit?
Is it full?
Let me start small
It's
first.
full. Oh. Wait, oh, it's not full.
Nowhere near full. See, big five.
It's slippery. It's
I
slippery.
got it.
It's slippery, I know. Focus.
I'm focused.
Oh no, I'm talking about the camera. you putting it too far.
Oh, like far up?
Yeah, like right here. Like try it. Right where the. Yeah, she said she's still out in trouble.
Put it down. Let me get his shots in real quick.
Okay, yeah.
You
Yeah,
get the
let
camera.
me let him get his shot. I'm gonna let you get your shots. Y'all.
Here.
Let me start with this one first. How many can this fit?
I should have brought my laser.
Glazer.
Laser.
Yeah, I got a laser, but it's too big to fucking tuck in.
Oh. This should be enough.
Right here, this is a perfect spot. You go right there.
How you cock yours back?
Cock it back.
Like,
Yeah, pull it all the way back. There we go. Yeah,
you got enough
it should be loaded.
Yeah.
It's loaded. Already. Motherfucker feels, eh?
It feel good, boy.
Feel good?
I like the way this is. I ain't
Yeah.
gonna lie, I like this
You
good.
gotta try that big biz next.
Yeah, yeah.
Don't get scared.
Got a
now.
little bit. It got a little bit caught back to it.
Yeah, time to that big motherfucker up, though. That motherfucker calling you. Look at it. Yeah, calling you.
This big.
What the?
Got that motherfucker bang ready to go.
Shit's big as hell. What the hell?
I don't know if I'm ready for this one.
Mama is so
Try one.
big.
Yeah, that's in there. Oh, that motherfucker tight, boy.
Oh nah.
Oh,
I
that
can already
motherfucker
feel
tight.
that. I can already feel that.
You
Bitch.
got my boy bitching.
Come on, bro. Oh yeah, record. I'm gonna make sure.
Good.
Yeah.
I got close to that bit.
He closer than me.
Hell yeah. Now, if I was as close as y'all was, that shit definitely spanking. Let me see, that shit
Damn.
That big go back.
It's flying. Yeah, you the closest.
Yeah.
I was there, bro.
Surprising he did it though.
Dang.
I had a little.
Niggas was hitting straight.
My alignment was a little off. I was hitting heavy on this.
That's mine.
He said I was fucking his right side.
Yeah.
Yeah, hell
Hitting
yeah.
straight.
Straight bacon his right.
You ready?
Yeah. I got 6 on target. Remember that.
Huh?
I got 6 on target. Remember that.
6.
Yeah, I got 6 on there already.
Oh, okay. And I got 3.
Yeah.
You're just basically more towards the bottom.
Yeah. What? Hold on, let me see. Yeah, it's in the chamber. Alright. Should be good.
Me, I was getting ready for that. Boom.
Gotta brace yourself every time.
Where did he go? I don't see it.
Bro, try it. I say try aiming slightly like.
Up more?
No. Because if you aim slightly up more, it's probably going. The trajectory probably gonna go up a lot. Yeah. So I was aiming down. That's why my stuff is so down.
Bro. I better pop this nigga. Not the bullet going in my hair. Come on, game. Bro, this, I got one more?
Yeah.
Nah. Bro, I think all the 2 that I got, you say you got 6?
Yeah, I got 6 on target.
Bro, I didn't shoot.
If you try to hit it,
Yeah. She had 3 bullets.
she ain't hit nothing.
No, I didn't.
You got one more.
I didn't hit nothing.
She got one more.
She moved that motherfucker right up.
Yeah.
Come on, yeah.
So, mine is right here. Yes. It was. That dickhead move. Dickhead.
Damn, Blossom, I think you hit right here.
Bruh, nah. That wasn't
That was probably
bruh.
me.
I thought it would say.
Yeah.
I thought it would say.
Yeah.
That wasn't me.
Damn, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Slight hit.
Yeah, but you know, I shot my first gun, so I had him teach
Yeah.
me.
Had to get it right though.
Had him teach
Had to
me
get
a
it
little
right.
bit, but
Yeah.
I hit close to the red, and then of course him. He was like this close to the red. So yeah, it was
If
fun.
this shit was a headshot, John, I would have fucking tore this up. Let me see, cause look, we gotta hit that shit.
Hey, them headshot ones be fun.
But when I had that shit on headshot, bro,
Oh, you actually did.
I was baking this nigga. I was baking this nigga. Mind you, these not even me.
Oh yeah.
When I was shooting
Those
that
you
shit,
and me.
all
Yeah.
fucking mediums, no bullshit. Tapping a nigga face card up. That shit declining. That shit over with.
No, that's crazy.
We was shooting that big motherfucker.
Face card declined. It is correct.
I got practice with I got practice with body shots.
Yeah.
I'm so used to shooting for the head.
Hey, you got that, bro.
Hell yeah.
The head.
That shit just
Wait, so do we
tapping
leave that?
niggas.
What about your
Fucking
gun?
nigga cranium. That shit over with. You said
We
what?
could take
Take your
those.
gun, right?
Yeah.
We could take those, yeah.
Wanna take all this shit out?
Dang, is nobody
Nah, I think everybody left.
dying?
What they got right there? I thought I was about to save that shotgun back there, but that was a gun shotgun. He brought his own shotgun.
Dying.
That's the thing though. Other spots usually have more rentals. Alright, we went to Clayton's, ain't gonna lie. I think so. And Clayton's probably would have been cheaper, and it would have more rentals, but it's still not bad.
Ah,
It happened because of that.
why is it cold in here though?
What's everything they charge you for, say? They told you how much you got charged yet?
Yeah, I already paid
How much you pay?
like 40, like 47. So.
Okay, so that's just your shit. Yeah. So you got to pay for the ammo you use. That's all.
Yeah,
You got to pay the money for the ammo.
Mine was like $44.
yeah.
Well, not no more.
Yeah.
54.
I'm gonna do the math on it.
Cool.
Everybody ran through some of this shit.
That's literally
Damn.
it, 54. Cause he said 44. He said $44 and some cents. And then now since I shot up there,
$50.
On top of that,
damn.
I was thinking about keeping a box.
And he just told me that.
Yeah, facts.
And I like when I had the gun, I wasn't thinking about it.
Okay, bro.
I was like,
And just
and
ready
he
to
said,
shoot.
Blossom, you shot the top. I'm like, what? You shot the top. I'm like, bro. Imagine if I was just me. That's another $30, bro.
And it wasn't on purpose.
No, I
Yeah.
know.
It would've been
That would
cooked.
have been crazy. Just shooting straight money. That's literally. I'm not even winning the money. I'm losing the money. Me.
Nah, I got on his side.
Bro, I bitch like 2 times.
Oh, I had a feeling I got all these bitch.
Wait, we got more?
Oh.
I didn't know I had more. I forgot.
Oh, shit.
I'm like, damn, niggas going already?
Got that big mop I got, nah.
Oh, yeah, do the headshot.
Wait, do we have to pay for more papers?
No?
I still got some fresh one. There's not no headshot paper. No, it's still fresh one. There's a different
Well, I thought I seen some. Why is it so cold in here?
I don't know, I'm not cut.
Hey, I'm with your boy. Oh, you can stop recording. Yeah.
It's a gun that's just like the big one, but it's smaller, but it shoots the same big bullets.
Like that.
That's the gun I want to get. We didn't have that, so that's what we're trying out. Just think it is. I should have seen that come soon.
I'm playing, bro.
I should have seen that shit coming.
Nigga said.
You're a dickhead.
I'm done. Yeah, I'm done, bro. I'm done, bro. Bro, he was like. And then he did that. I'm done, bro. I should have seen that dumb shit coming from you.
Stop. That bit hit me.
That's why I had to back up. Oh, wait, he hit the red though.
Red dot sight ain't no joke, man.
He hit the red
See
one.
that work? Come on. Bring that bitch in chat. You know what I'm saying?
Wait, what?
Going on. All work. Flacco, put him in the dirt. All bangers.
Bet I'm gonna go for.
Big bitch though.
I'm gonna go for one of those.
Hell yeah. I got
With
one
the
that
big
this
bitch.
is off target as fuck. I was aiming here. So this is all. This is a miss.
Damn.
Damn.
One miss out of the rest of it ain't bad at all though.
Hell yeah. That nigga died anyway. The first 2 shots. This,
Hell
big
yeah.
ass, this shit shoots some big shit.
Wait, let me feel how heavy.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hell
that's
yeah.
heavier than you. Oh, you got yours.
Yeah, it's way bigger than my shit.
Get to shooting. I ain't doing that.
Yeah, when she won Blossom,
Uh.
that shit go fuck her to a backflip.
I know. It's gonna.
My brother seen the story. He started laughing. I said, yeah, she shaking like some loose change. Shoot that shit. He said, yeah, she shaking like the fucking gun about to turn around and shoot at her.